Hello dear, you have saltfish and mackerel? You have none? Wait there. Look. On the next side.
Finga, we're gonna do a half date today. I just got a call from the health center. Dad is not well and I have to go and see what's happening. So as soon as I finish here, get the car and bring it around. Then we'll unpack the rest of things.
Alright, boss.
As soon as you finish packing those water, put another case of soda in the fridge.
Yes, boss.
Me alone can't angle that one, yeah. Man, them have them thing locked. Yeah. You remember what I'm to bossy?
Yo, bossy never stick to the script. Sin and the wickedest thing. All of the man them strap. Remember skinny.
Yeah, man.
Everything alright. No worry, sin.
And right, man, that star.
We there forward. Bring one iron. Spirulina drinks, yeah, sin.
Yes. So let me get this straight. You're asking me for my personal information?
Yes, madam. We do need your personal information to provide these services for you. Okay, ma'am, we'll do. Yo, what go on, fam? You want to know something? See the caller come in, through me a chop the line, just I get the chance to get back to you. Why pray?
I have one job for you.
That sound good, man. We're supposed to go out of town, you know.
That one, yeah. I want one shot deal. And the money, jump. You can get one like 1.5 for your part. Skinny, you have to help me on that one, yeah.
Don't worry yourself, man.
Alright, me G.
Only you know you promised you were going to change your lifestyle, you know. Yet it's been 2 years and no change. Are you really going to let your son come into this world see you doing this?
I want to you, babes. Just relax yourself now, man. I'm at a fax, the Finga here come when I want to see how long. Finga!
What go on skinny?
Sissy, you still do the same old shit.
See a chop line.
In your life, I got half them opinion. Some with some strong points, some with some silly ones.
Good.
Man says just a one-shot deal.
Me done with there's something there.
You can make a 1.2 fight, you know.
Me good. My little bit what me I get. Me alright.
So you say if you change your mind, give me a call, man.
Good, look, my brother.
You're not gonna change, are you?
We are what we eat, so we gotta be careful of what we eat. My people, check yourself, don't wreck yourself. Okay.
Enjoy your dinner. So how your day go today?
Give thanks, bless the dear. Yeah, man.
I'm glad to hear that, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm really glad to hear that. Well, you look like you're hungry, man. Oh, you want me eat?
Yeah, boy, Tom, man, I watch this boy, man, because I see him time to go off him farm, brother. Yo! What up, brother?
Easy, man, easy. I'm gonna pet that, man.
Yeah?
I use that snake at the farm, man. Yeah, man.
Right.
Take care of the rat them off of the farm, man. Say,
yeah, man.
The day-for-day thing, but I work out sometime. Some man, they can't depend on them.
Can't depend. No, brother, I not work out with some man, cause some man don't go want you to give them the strength. You see me?
And when film day come, every man
Oh,
gone
God
and work
almighty,
with
God, I first man get a farm, man, and him there, I farm a long time.
come film farm big and pretty.
Sure. Yeah, man, I don't care, brother, but anyone me catch on my farm, you know, brother.
How about that? So like over here, brother. Oh, boy. So like I'll do work down there.
Who this one? Finga. Boy, me lose half of you, brother. Sorry. Respect better, man, I come big more, brother. Why you dodge me and come thief on me, brother? You know, you drop out like cheap, brother, you know? Brother, you don't get to go out and I could choke on him.
No, kill him.
Can't kill a snake, man. A snake there. A years a snake a pass through or some man. Are you never kind of man breadfruit tree?
That's a put a must broke. One breadfruit, that's enough.
Yes, so I go on. So want me can spend one look of money with me, man. Me know say nothing now go on, but I think one look of change you can spend with me. Alright, hold on the look a bit, me soon call you back. Boy, Finga, you know say friend then kill time round, so nothing now go on, you know, brother. But me know you's a trying youth still, you know, and you always a trying, you know.
You know, say, what day, hard the fifth, he interview me go up and, you know.
Why, me know say everything will work out, you know. You just go and hold the faith.
Later.
Alright, I'm blessed on the interview. Me know say everything will go work out for you today. You don't worry yourself, cause you not stop trying.
I saw me decide to take the deal.
You really want to go back down them road there?
You know, say me not even feel the vibe, though. Me I lie to my wife, tell her me I go for a job interview.
You remember Bossy?
Yeah. Why?
You don't know Retribution?
The boss. Hello, boss.
Finga, are you sitting down?
Yes, boss.
Dad left a will, and you were included in it. And he left a substantial amount of money.
What that mean, boss?
So how does 4 million sound?
What?
I'm gonna trust the boy Finga, you know. And I've got to do this by my own, you know.
The mother call me and me tell him something and I deal with it. Princess, you're not gonna believe this. It's a lot of money.
Big up the real G road when no G code. X-Men smoke. Big up the real G road when no G code. Me coulda never look to kill me friend them. Me never buy none, so me no sell. Father God, please protect them, yeah. Me really wanna live the star life, but if me dog them not dead, me nah like. Me nah go feel good and me know man. Me nah hide. I owe me used to beat the floss with that them I want to share the quad. So look and just pass. No matter come here, so come sherms up the thing with a little dirty heart. Granny me brother.
Why the man ain't no stop rating me feel Rasta?
Yellow Rasta.
Why the if me never pick them, I wouldn't get none Rasta.
Yes, Rasta.
The man ain't coming like them want me sleep in a farm Rasta.
Yes, Rasta.
Wallace.
Thanks, Rasta. The boss Rasta.